Well, I mean, and what you told us before about the Twitch influencer that talked about your stuff that really got you off the ground.
Oh yeah, Kai, yeah, he oh my gosh, dude, Halloween almost broke me.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Friday. You know what that means. It's not Thursday because this is when we normally do stuff like that. But that's okay because it's always a great day to be alive on a Friday morning here, right here in Cochise County, Arizona. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Cochise County Veteran-Owned Business. Friday at 10. Normally Thursday at 5. But, I got some time on my hands. Want to talk to some people. I'm that person because I like to give updates whenever I can. And what better of an update to give than from someone who is going to be extremely hot, especially during the, May? Summertime period. Hey, festivals are going on. Vendor events are out there. All exhibits are coming up in the near future, i.e. conventions and stuff like that. So I know a lot of people want to get ready, want to look their best. And one of those people who can make you look their best because he has amazing business, he may look familiar. If you paid attention in October, military, first Thursday of the fiscal year. Government, first Thursday of the fiscal year. Everyone else, yeah, it's the first Thursday of October. Yeah, we get it, Z. All right, no problem. Angel is back with us. How's it going?
What's going on, Eric? Nice to be back, dude.
You got some Is that a Hulk gargoyle?
No, it's actually just gargoyle from.
I'm telling you, he's got some amazing stuff. You're gonna love this.
Yeah. So, I've obviously last time if you watched, I was really into doing the cosplay. That's what I started off with. And it was Halloween season, and then I was like, okay, well, I need to do something else like during the off season, so that I can, continuously grab people's attention. So I figured, what better than these little statuettes made out of resin. But yeah, this is a Goliath from Gargoyles, Disney show from I think 94.
90s, yeah.
Very old. But yeah, I have migrated to making these guys when the cosplay stuff isn't selling as well, and they've been pretty popular. Dude, in my DMs, like, people are like, yo, where can I buy this? Like, is it for sale yet? And I was like, we're getting there. I'm just trying to get like the shipping process because these guys are a little bit on the delicate side. So, but if you're local, I mean, all day, every day, these are up for grabs.
I mean, just the great, detailing, just doing what you do, and I know you talked about before how your printer provides the color for it or whatnot, or
I do have some that are multicolor printers, but I don't really do a whole lot of those kind of prints. I'm really like harping on the whole airbrushing and brushing part.
And that's what you do at your
this is what this guy is. He's 100% airbrush. Well, 100% airbrush and traditional paintbrush, like the smaller details. But I mean, it just lets you capture details that you wouldn't otherwise be able to with the multicolor printer because the technology just isn't there yet.
Not yet, but it's slowly it's coming quicker than what it normally has been.
Yeah. So, it's around the corner.
It's almost there. So if you're not, like you said, you're not doing stuff it's not October, it's not Halloween, it's what you consider an off season. What are some of the major items people would be looking for around this time frame?
Usually like smaller seasonal stuff. So, say we got 4th of July, just, patriotic themed items, stuff like that. Or, random little commissions. I mean, that's when I've got the most time to do stuff that I normally do not do.
What has been some more of the popular items that you have created as of late that people like, oh my God, I gotta get a couple of those?
Look, custom keychains, believe it or not. People will ask for like custom
Oh,
keychains.
really?
Yeah. Because those are really easy for me to pump out.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the printer that I use with this is made with a different style of printer. It takes liquid and like flash cures it in layer by layer. And that's why I'm able to get like the insane detail on this, and I can batch it. So instead of doing one at a time, I can make say 50 at a time.
Now, I know you said this one was a little bit more of a delicate item because more of the greater detailing and such.
Yeah. So these guys, resin printers aren't as big as your traditional FDM printers.
Mhm.
So he comes in pieces. So say for this guy, for example, he's not glued all the way, like his head comes off.
Yeah.
But the thing with super glue or CA glue is it's prone to cracking if you induce it to shock. So you know our awesome mailing system, packages always getting dropped, or Amazon. It's kind of inevitable. So I'm trying to figure out like a good way to use what is it, like the little packing sheets that you use where they cut out the insert shape.
Right.
Yeah, I'm trying to get that going. But once I figure that out, I'll be able to ship these guys out.
Excuse me. That's very nice.
This is more a really popular character. If you're a fan of Resident Evil, you'll recognize Leon immediately.
Okay.
Can I get it closer so they can?
Oh yeah, you can.
Yeah, I mean this doesn't do it justice.
Our cameras are more amazing than what they used to be. Yeah.
Well, no, it's not even that. It's like even when I take like my videos and I post it to my TikTok.
Oh yeah, it doesn't do it justice. You have to see them up close and personal.
Yeah,
just to take in the full effect of it.
Yeah, like if you look at his face, I mean, you can even see like the 5 o'clock shadow that he's got going on.
Yeah, I was seeing that.
You can see like the little individual whiskers.
The great detailing. Yep. Mm-hmm. Going off of the delicate portions, I know you did a lot of stuff for cosplay, as you mentioned earlier.
Yeah, of course.
Some of the items, of course, you make masks and make amazing masks. If anybody's seen his Iron Man mask or his Spawn mask, if you haven't, you better find out where he's going next, and he's gonna let us know that. But some of the items, I was curious.
Yeah.
I believe you make staffs and such as well.
Yeah. I can make like other props, like some of the weapons or like the accessories for the costumes.
Or for the props, I mean, obviously, I'm not gonna say are they strong enough if you, not like that, but strong enough to where if you're going through a daily routine of going through a cosplay convention.
Yeah. So a staff specifically, what I'll do is most times the model won't come with like a hollowing or like a rod. So what I do is I get like wooden dowels from like Lowe's or Home Depot, and then I just like shove that thing in there, and that way it's got that to reinforce it. So it's got give, but it's not going to break unless you put enough force to break that wood.
Okay. Since you've been here since last October, how has business been since then?
Well, like I said, I'm in the off season, so it has slowed down. But I mean, it's been keeping up to where the point I had to hire my brother, and he's got his own location. Where he lives out in Houston. So I mean, I think we invested in 10 to 15 printers. I have to double check. We just recently bought 10 to like scale him up.
Because your printers have gone up since the last time we talked.
Gone up as in what?
Number.
Oh yeah. Yeah. No, not doubled, but I think we went up 50% in total production capacity. But he's kind of been taking the reins. I've kind of like stepped back and done more of like the social media. So I'm trying to grow our presence there, so we don't plateau as far as like total number of orders that we get in.
As far as social media goes, where can they still find you? Facebook and your Etsy page?
Yeah, you can go on the Etsy. I mean,
Etsy.
You're only gonna see the stuff that we have listed. I don't post stuff like this on Etsy because again, I got to figure out the whole shipping thing. But if you go on Facebook, Instagram, and then TikTok, basically what I do is I'll make the video with CapCut, and I'll post it to TikTok, and I'll export that video, and then I post it to Instagram Girls, which conveniently posts it on Facebook.
Yep.
So I got a kind of little routine going on. So yeah, TikTok, Facebook, and then Instagram will all have the same content.
And in case you're wondering about it, we're going to definitely put those links up above or below, depending where you're watching this video.
Yeah. Just search up Simba's Print Shop, and you'll find it.
Oh, easily you'll find it. You got anything near future coming up?
Um,
I know you sometimes do first Saturdays.
yeah, I'm
But-
still doing that. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So I bought a truck recently. To help out. Because a lot of this stuff is bulky. I was gonna bring a life-size statue, but I didn't remember how much space it had back here, so I didn't want it to be too
It could have
claustrophobic.
been here, but that's all right.
But
Now you're just gonna have to go over to the ball and check it out.
yeah, every
He
first
always
Saturday.
has them there.
Yeah, I'm scheduled for June and July.
Outstanding.
I mean, 4th of July. If you got nothing going on before the fireworks, so definitely go then.
Do you, on that note, do you have anything you might be working on that might be a little surprised at a little incentive for them to come out to the mall?
When is June 3rd? I think that's the first Saturday, right?
I believe so.
Well, if you're a Star Wars fan, I guess I can hold off on delivering this commission. But yeah, I'll have a little guy that everybody loves from Star Wars. I'm gonna start him today, so he should be there.
June 6th,
June 6th.
and you might have to double check July 4th.
Yeah, that's the first Saturday for
Yeah,
sure.
that's the first Saturday.
Yeah,
I
that's
want
right.
to make sure she's doing that.
Yeah. No, she should be. I
She
just talked to her a little bit ago.
Yeah, daytime, get prepped for nighttime.
But yeah, if you're a Star Wars fan, I'll have a little guy there. I won't say who it is, but I'm sure you can deduce on who it might be.
I mean, there's a movie out right now, kind of promoting a whole bunch of things.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the movie is it out already?
I believe so.
Oh shoot.
I know they've been shooting it out, so if it's not out now, it should be at least June or something.
Okay. Well, yeah, I guess that'll be a happy little accident.
There you go. There's a huge bonus.
Yeah. Right.
Any other things going on?
Other than that, no. It's just been just completing the normal cosplay influx of orders that we get in, and then I'm trying to get better at my painting, and of course, like I've said it multiple times, that shipping, because I'm getting a bunch of people hitting me up. Well, no, I guess I did lie. I'm doing. Remember that helmet I brought in?
Yes.
Okay, so there's a TikTok influencer that I've done orders for. I think he's got like between $250,000 to $500,000 followers.
Okay.
I reached out to him. I was like, hey man, you want to do like a little collaborations? Like, I'll make it like this bus version of him. I'll give it to you completely free. Just throw me a little shout out. So I think we're gonna try to build a relationship on that.
Nice.
I send him product and he gives me shout outs. And,
That's always good. Don't mind me, I'm old.
You're good.
Well, that's good. Yeah, definitely working collaborations. That always helps a great deal, especially if you can find someone and they take great pride in like, oh, wow, this is amazing. Can I talk about it? Here's all my link. Go ahead.
Yeah, I mean, that goes a crazy way. I mean, look at us right here.
Well, I mean, and what you told us before about the Twitch influencer that talked about your stuff that really got you off the ground.
Oh, yeah. Kai, yeah. He, oh my gosh, dude, Halloween almost broke me. I was working, my regular day job, and then I would clock in at home and I'd be working like another 8-10 hours. I think I was running on like 4 or 5 hours of sleep a day, like even weekends. But I mean, we made it.
Hey, you made it. The family was understanding.
Yeah. The wife was
there. We go.
She was home and we packed them.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I don't know if we touched on this before. When it comes time to shipping, how do you? Because before I used to use Pirate Ship.
That's what I use.
Okay, that's where you use.
Mm-hmm.
And as far as the packing and stuff, I'm not even gonna try to say that because I always picked my stuff up from Walmart. And considering the detailing and stuff, I don't want to say like a bubble wrapper. You're the pro in that arena, but if you could find something, definitely share that in the near future because I know other people like who I just talked about who was here earlier.
Yeah,
that's for Thursday's show, so you're gonna have to pay attention for that. How he takes great detailing and packing his stuff and making sure and considering what's in there just to make sure nothing goes off the hinge or flies or anything. It's just, if you find out anything like that, by all means, share that for the future so other people who may want to start can know exactly
of course. I mean, usually anything I figure out through trial and error or I find really useful, I'll make a video about it and post it.
Trial and error is always the best way to learn, believe it or not.
Yeah, I was telling Eric over here before we went live, it's the best teacher, trial and error. I mean, you're going to make mistakes and you need to learn from them. I mean, it's there for a reason. I mean, everyone's gone through it.
Oh yeah. Well, I appreciate you coming out on this short notice, sharing with us, seeing that you're still striving, surviving, still going strong, amazing figures, upping his printer game. by number, you know, and like you said, technology's around the corner going, have you tried this yet? Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, and one quick note.
Okay.
I did forget to mention this. One thing that I have been getting hit with a lot is tutorials on how to 3D print.
Yes.
Dude, my DMs are flooded with that, and I'm kind of getting not that I don't like doing it. I'm kind of getting tired of like being a parrot and repeating the same thing. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna make videos and like just walk everybody through as generic as I can. You know, one touch all.
Make a tutorial video, set up a YouTube channel or something so people could come on over there. Of course, you know, display what you've got going on, but also how would you like to go about this? Here is set up your printer, how to do the stuff, whatever the case may be.
Yeah, from the physical hardware to the software. I mean, then eventually, once I gain the confidence in my painting, I'll even do painting tutorials.
Now that is good. I like that because tutorials. Because you look around, people are like, "Oh, it's hard to do that," but it's always more of how did you do that?
Yeah. A lot of the videos I'll see is like they'll do like quick little snippets, but then like they leave out the important information, like kind of gatekeeping it. I don't like doing that. You're gonna get every single thing that I know.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's good to know. Keep on the lookout for that. We're definitely going to have all his links again up above or down below. Check him out. Check out Angel. You can find him at Simba Shop.
Simba's Print Shop.
Simba's Print Shop. Yeah. And I know some of you are asking because you didn't watch in October. First of all, shame on you. But second, Simba is
my Australian Shepherd. The whole reason I got into 3D printing, I wanted to make him a little dog tag for his collar.
It started from a dog tag.
Yeah.
And look where he is today.
The irony, right? Dog tags.
Yeah. And now going back to the hot item of right now, keychains. Mm-hmm. Doesn't matter how big, doesn't matter how small, as long as you're staying active, that's what counts.
Yeah, 100%.
And now you're going to the teaching side.
Mm-hmm.
That's amazing. I like it.
Yeah, it's great. I'm excited.
All right. That is all for today. Short and sweet, straight to the point. Also catching up with Angel because, again, he has amazing items. Kids, parents, children of heart, check him out over at First Saturdays at the mall, Sierra Vista Mall. He's going to be there this June, 1st June, the 6th, and the 4th of July. And those hours are normally between 11 and 5. So definitely come and check him out. As always, if you're not in the area, that's okay. He's got a lot of SC and other links that you could go ahead, check out his stuff, and inquire, as well as tutorials he's currently working on.
Yes, sir.
All right, everybody, take care. And remember, next Thursday at 5, we'll be back, and I've got a special first-timer. He's now a repeat offender.
Yeah, guilty.
All right, everybody, take care of you soon. I'll talk to you later. Bye.